Stop typing your Apple ID password every single time you download an app. And before you say it still does not work for me, make sure you watch this entire video because most people miss one important setting and then wonder why their iPhone keeps asking for the password. Also, this works on all iPhones and iPads that support Face ID and even older models that use Touch ID or fingerprints. A while ago, I made a video showing how to download apps and make App Store purchases using Face ID instead of entering your Apple ID password every time. But a lot of people are still asking why it does not work for them. So let me show you the settings you need to check. First, open Settings and scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. On some older iPhones, you'll see Touch ID and Passcode instead. And that's completely fine because this feature works with both Face ID and Touch ID. Tap it, enter your passcode. Then look for the section that says Use Face ID for, which is right here. You'll see an option called iTunes and App Store. If this option is turned off, turn it on right now. Now here, you need to enter your Apple ID password for once. This allows your iPhone to use Face ID or Touch ID when downloading apps and making purchases instead of asking for your Apple ID password every time. Now here is the second setting, and this is usually the reason why the feature does not work for many people. Go back to the settings and tap Screen Time. Scroll down and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. At the bottom, you'll see Require Password. If it's set to Always Require, your iPhone will continue asking for your Apple ID password whenever you download apps or make purchases. Change it to Don't Require. And here, you will need to enter your screen time passcode if you have already set it. And that's it. Now, when you download an app, you should only need a double press the side button, let Face ID recognize your face or use your fingerprint on supported devices, and the download will start without asking for your Apple ID password. Let me show you. I'll open the App Store right now, search for an app, then tap Get. Double press the side button, Face ID recognizes me, and that's it. The app starts downloading immediately. Now, if you have already enabled these settings and it's still not working, try this quick fix. Go back to Face ID and Passcode. Turn off iTunes and App Store under the Use Face ID for section, restart your iPhone, then go back and turn iTunes and App Store on again. This refreshes the setting and fixes the issue for some users. One more thing you should know. Even after enabling everything correctly, Apple may occasionally ask for your Apple ID password for security reasons. This is completely normal and happens from time to time as an additional security check. So if it asks once in a while, don't worry. That doesn't mean the feature is not working. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like. Share it with someone who is tired of entering their password every time. And subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and hidden features. I'll see you in the next one.